In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add objects in Blender. Blender is a powerful and open-source 3D creation suite that can be used for creating animations, models, renderings, and more. If you're new to Blender, don't worry. This guide is tailored to get you started quickly and easily. Firstly, you'll want to ensure you have Blender installed on your computer. Once that's sorted, go ahead and open the Blender application. You'll be greeted with the startup screen, where you have the option to either open an existing project or start a new one. For our purposes today, we'll start fresh with a new project, which will give us a clean slate to work from. Upon entering your new project, you'll notice some default objects are placed in the workspace. To create a clutter-free environment, press A on your keyboard, which will select all the default objects within the scene. You may find it helpful to delete these defaults so they don't interfere with your creative process. Do this swiftly by hitting the Delete key, which will remove all selected items from the workspace. Now, let's dive into adding objects. In Blender, the shortcut to access the Add menu is by pressing Shift+A. This menu is your gateway to all kinds of assets you can bring into your scene. Hover over Mesh in this menu, which will reveal an array of basic 3D shapes such as cubes, spheres, cylinders, or planes. Click on any object you fancy, and it will be instantly added to your project. You might wonder where your new object appears. It spawns at the 3D cursor's position, a small red and white striped circle by default at the center of your workspace. Once added, you probably want to arrange your object to fit your scene better. For that, use the Move tool by pressing G. This handy tool allows you to drag your object around the workspace easily. If you need to rotate your object for proper alignment, press R for the Rotate tool. This will enable you to twist and turn the object to your liking. And if the size needs adjusting, use the Scale tool by pressing S, which allows you to resize the object precisely. Adding more objects to your scene is a breeze. Just press Shift+A again to open the Add menu and repeat the process as many times as necessary to fill your scene with objects of your choice. And there you have it, the foundational steps to adding objects in Blender. Congratulations on expanding your Blender skills and happy creating.